Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can get back old calendar event on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. First you want to close your calendar. Once you close your calendar, what you want to do is go inside your phone setting. From here you want to scroll down until you find calendar and click on it. Once you're inside calendar, you want to click on sync. Now from over here, you want to choose how the event you want. If you want the event from 2 weeks back, click on event 2 weeks back. If you want to see your event from 1 month back, click on event from 1 month back. From 3 months this, for 6 months this, and if you want all of your older events to appear again, you can click on all event. Just like this, you can choose how long the event you want. So yeah, that is basically how you guys can get back old calendar events on iPhone. Just choose the time period and it's going to show you the event according to the time period you chose. Hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future calendar related videos like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.